What's up, guys? Yeah, I'm just testing out my camera, so I guess I'm gonna do a little vlog today. It's late. I got the day started pretty late. Testing out the Rode Wireless Go with the new camera, the Sony ZV-1. That's it. I'm just using a GorillaPod, this for the mic with no mic plugged into it, just straight up, and shooting in 4K, 24 frames per second. So let's go outside or go check out some shit. Look at my taillight rack though, you feel me? Automatic ISO, but we're in the S2000. It rained earlier, so it's kind of like crappy out, but oof. Look at that mileage. Oh my god. Got the chucheros. Yeah, Timpano. Well, let's go. You already know the vibes. Clarion EQ. You feel me? 50 watts RMS. Still bumping. Drop at the top. Ooh. Some music. To be honest, I feel like listening to some Dirk. It's not really a good driving around song. Is this? Yeah. Oh my god. It's his, he bought it. It's your car? Yeah, man. Ripping at the light bar? Yeah, I got on the Nobody. Who the fuck is an Antegra? No. Oh, he's an idiot.
Well, the better Harbor Freight one. Look at. So I figured leave it on 8 amp.
Oh, how much you pay for that?
2 amp. It was like $70, but it's a smart charger, so I figured.
Okay.
Leave it for maintainer.
Yeah.
I picked one up for all my construction equipment and shit, my construction tools. Because when I come here, they're always stolen. See right there? And they all fit in it. Nice.
What? Oh, nice.
Well, because remember how my DeWalt tools were all over the shop?
Ooh, yeah. Okay, we're here with the CRX. Gonna put it to charge. Or do you want to jump it real quick and see if it'll start?
Yeah, see if she starts up. She's been sitting all winter.
We got a test and tune on Sunday. Today is Wednesday. Saturday and Sunday, but we're probably just gonna go to the Sunday one because everybody's busy on Saturday. Here's my car. I haven't touched it since I took the subframe out. Oh well, I'll probably come tomorrow and work on it.
Hey, it had 4 volts.
Had 4 volts?
Yeah, it had 4 volts.
Just in case he's got a charger as well.
If it doesn't start, you took my computer out and you fucked it up. Oh! She's a cold-hearted beast when it's cold out.
Here's fuel pump. Oh my god.
One more time. Make sure she's Gucci. Come on, baby.
There she goes. are about to go on a tow. Somebody rolled over into like a ditch or some shit.
Turn right, then the destination is on your right.
These ditches don't look too deep yet, so hopefully it's not too deep.
In a quarter mile, the destination is on your right. 6796 South Jane Street. The destination is on your right.
Oh,
6796 South Jane Street.
oh, Philly, how you gonna get that out of there?
Shit, we gotta roll it over, Dinger.
Arrived.
First, we gotta flip it over.
Somebody took the cat already.
No, they didn't.
No, I'm serious.
Oh, God.
So Philly is like climbing. We gotta flip the car over. We gotta flip it over before we can pull it out. Jeez. The red lever?
Outside red lever, going towards me.
This one?
Yep, going towards me.
Right now?
Ooh, Dinger, the tow truck.
I'm scared, bro. I'm scared.
You're good.
Let me.
You're good.
Okay.
When I say you're good, that means you can let go of the handle.
Oh, my bad. Fuck you.
No, you're good. I'm joking. You're good.
Fucker.
You want to sit in the car?
Huh?
I'm joking.
No, I don't want to sit in the fucking car. Oh, there goes the fucking bumper. Yeah.
You want to at least steer that for me so it'll follow behind me?
Yeah.
Get in, just steer the wheel?
Yeah. Yeah, but isn't it locked?
No, the key, turn the key on. Don't sit in the glass. Let me know when you're ready.
Man, this thing's fucked up. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god, this thing's disgusting.
I always do that. I forget to show my laptop. Slamming door.
It's 99. A what?
There's a hamburger in here.
A hamburger?
Let's see. That clutch is crazy.
What's that beeping? The car?
Yeah.
Nah, motor seized, bro.
It's seized up or it's dead. There's probably both.
Can you roll the windows up at least?
No, it wouldn't even go, I don't think. Let me see.
Should we put the jump pack on it?
This one's going up.
This
Hold
one?
the button. Leave the button for a minute.
Yeah.
This one's going up.
Oh, is the window lock on? Nope.
Might be. Oh, she going.
Slowly.
You sure don't want a burger?
No.
Yo, the wire took out the license plate. Look.
Oh, damn.
Look at the line. Look at it. The front bumper blasted, so he hit that wire. Look at it. He definitely did.
You need a new quarter pineal.
Oh yeah, he does. Got mud all over me.
I got mud on me too.
Mud pie.
Well, that was fun.
Yeah, it was.
Flipped over a car. Well, we rolled it back over. Damn, this is a temporary registration. They just got this car?
Wait a minute. Do you want to know the date?
What?
3/29/21.
Last month.
Like 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago. Damn.
That sucks.
Well.
Bye bye.